Hello students, how are you all? Fine, very good. So student, today our subject is GK. Today we will see about our GK subject. Before of this, we see our GK's two lessons. What is name of our lesson? First lesson name, anybody tell me? Our first lesson name is Dr. Muthu Lakshmi. Yes? Now we see our first and second both lesson we see, and now third lesson is going on. Our lesson name is medical innovations. What is our lesson name? Medical innovations. We all know that when we are not feeling well, then we immediately go to the doctors, and doctor gives us so many medicines also, and when we took that, then we are feeling better. Yes. So our today's lesson is also depend on medical innovations. Now we all are in, you all students are in 7th class. So before of that, in previous classes you see information about so many scientists also, and which invention they do. That all information you took. Yes. So let us see what is our lesson have included. Our lesson have including vaccination. Our first point is vaccination. We all know that now that Corona's atmosphere is going on to everywhere. So because of that, we all are in home and our online teaching method is going on. Yes or no? Yes. So that vaccination is most important for that Corona disease. So many people took that vaccine also, your parents also, then we all teachers also took it. So what is mean by vaccination? Vaccination, and who firstly invented it? So I write here name Dr. Edward Jenner. They firstly invented vaccination. So we see more information about Dr. Edward Jenner. Dr. Edward Jenner was the first person to introduce the idea of vaccine with the development of smallpox vaccine in 1796. Firstly, on which diseases he gives that vaccine? Smallpox. Then he successfully prevented a young boy from getting smallpox, and one small boy have that smallpox comes. So that time that Dr. Edward Jenner have firstly tried for that little boy, and that boy have comes result very soon. Then vaccines have since been developed. After some time that vaccine have more development, and to help the protect infant and children as well as many serious diseases. And from that time that so many diseases have also vaccines come out, and it gives to an infant babies also, newborn babies also, and other children also, young children also, elders also, and up to adulthood also. Now second point is antiseptic. What is meant by antiseptic and who invented it? Joseph Lister. Joseph Lister invented antiseptic. We all know that so many times we use that antiseptic word. What is meant by that antiseptic? Joseph Lister was the first pioneer of the concept of antiseptic surgical methods. When we have comes any types of injury, so our mother use that cream fastly. That cream is also including antiseptic. So that antiseptic means what? That antiseptics what? Who was the founder of that antiseptic? So we see before 2 minutes, Joseph Lister was the founder or the invented antiseptic, and he was known as father of surgery, और उनको father of surgery भी बोला जाता है. His principle that bacteria must never gain entry to the operation. when any operation is going on, that time that bacteria not comes inside that body. That's why that antiseptic do work. And that antiseptic is used for many small things such like as wound also, and remains the basis of surgery to this day. In our day-to-day life, when we have cut by any by knives also, and whatever other things also, that sharp things also, so that antiseptic cream is useful for don't enter the bacteria inside our body. Now third one point is anesthesia, and who invented it? William Morton invented it. Anesthesia. Before the middle of the 19th century, surgeries were performed without giving the patient any painkillers. When any surgery is going on any one patient, so no one gives them painkiller. But that who owes the then doctor William Morton, he changes that method. He says that he was opposite of that giving that painkiller. Why we don't give them painkiller when we are doing the any types of operation? This changed in 1846, and in the year of 1846, William Morton he invented that anesthesia, and that anesthesia means an American dental surgeon. They are American dental surgeon and demonstrated the use of ether as an anesthetic. Ether is working anesthetic in our body. Now fourth number is X-ray. X-ray, this word you listen many times. And who was the invented? Dr. William Conrad Röntgen. They invented X-ray. We all know that X-ray. So many times we listen that word. What is meant by exactly X-ray? X-ray means firstly it discovered by William Conrad Röntgen. William Conrad Röntgen in 1895. In which year? 1895. This was an extraordinary achievement, and this achievement is extraordinary, excellent in the field of medicine. In the field of medicine, that X-rays development is very high levels. Röntgen was honored with the first Nobel Prize, and because of that development, that William Conrad Röntgen, they have got the award of Nobel Prize in Physics in 1901. Now last one is penicillin. We all listen that word so many times. What is meant by penicillin and who invented it? Alexander Fleming. We all listen that word so many times. Alexander Fleming. From which country? They comes from Scottish scientist Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928. This paved the way of development of other antibiotics to combat the spread of harmful bacteria, and that penicillin is the very good medicine for for harmful bacteria. In this way we see lesson medical innovations. Now in our online class we see more information about other scientists also. Okay, thank you students.